hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're just going to be going through my current favourite crystals. Now, I've recently done an entire crystal collection, which, as you guys would have seen, I have quite a few. However, these are the current ones I have just been really gravitating towards over the past few weeks. I've been really enjoying using them and kind of having them around, and I just thought I would share them with you. You guys seem to really enjoy my crystal videos. I don't do very many of them because obviously, as you guys know, my channel is very lush orientated, so I don't kind of want to dive too far away from that. However, I do like to dribble a little bit of crystal love every now and then. So these are the crystals I have been really loving over the past few weeks. I thought I would share them with you. I'm going to go through kind of each one, why I love it, the properties of them, and just have a little chat. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Grab yourselves a coffee and a snack, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So the first one I want to talk about is this beautiful piece of raw amethyst. Now, I have quite a lot of amethyst in my collection, as you guys would have seen. I have this, I have two more raw pieces, I have a kind of half polished point, I've got a tumble, I've got quite a few bits and pieces of amethyst. I really just am drawn to amethyst a lot, and I find it really hard not to want to pick up all of these because I absolutely love them. This one I bought from the crystal shop for, I think it was about £24, and I just really liked the look of it because it was so flat. I just thought you could put some nice crystals on top of this one, and it just is absolutely stunning. So that is why I bought it. I'm obsessed with it. Honestly, I wish I had like a massive chunk of it, but this is the biggest piece I have, and I'm just obsessed with it. I love it. Amethyst is supposedly really good for helping calm anger, calm fear, and also calm anxiety, which is, I absolutely love that. I think it's so lovely, and I do feel really relaxed around amethyst. I don't know what it is, I don't know what about it just makes me feel really at ease, but I absolutely love amethyst so incredibly much. It's just so beautiful, and I am just absolutely in love with it. And this piece, can't get my words out, specifically, I just absolutely love. I love all my amethyst pieces, but this one, I don't know what it is about it. I just really like the look of it, and it just sits really nicely. It's such a beautiful size, and yeah, I'm obsessed. So that is my first favourite. Obsessed with her. Love it. The next crystal I've been obsessed with is my raw rose quartz. Now, this was actually gifted to me by my mum and dad when they went to Lyme Regis of like half a year ago. I can't even remember when it was, and they picked this up for me from a shop there, and I'm absolutely in love with it. I love rose quartz. It's so beautiful. Not only is it pink, which I absolutely adore, but also rose quartz is really good for drawing love from other people, also for you to love others, and also self-love. And I just absolutely love what rose quartz stands for, what it does, and also the properties and everything like that. I just absolutely love it, and I feel like everybody could do with a little bit of rose quartz in their collection. So yeah, this is a piece of mine. I love it, and especially this raw piece I've just been really like gravitating towards recently. So yeah, that is my rose quartz I've been obsessed with. Love it. The next crystal which I have been gravitating towards is my Kamba Jasper palm stone. I am a massive fan of palm stones because I just love to hold them when I'm kind of watching a film or just chilling out. I love how cold they are. I love kind of the feel of them in my hand. I just really like them. I actually have another palm stone to show you guys in a second, but I absolutely love Kamba Jasper. I have got a Kamba Jasper sphere as well, and I'm just so in love with it. In terms of the properties of Kamba Jasper, I don't actually know all on the top of my head. I am still learning, and it is really hard to keep up with all the crystals I buy and remember what they're all good for. But on Google, this one says that it is good for promoting peace and tranquility. It is also able to do this by removing blockages in the base and heart chakras. It also says that it helps to get rid of negativity, and it promotes serenity and clarity. And I just absolutely love Kamba Jasper. Can I say Kamba Jasper one more time? But this is what it is. It's absolutely beautiful. I remember seeing this one in the shops, and I was just immediately drawn to it. I just absolutely love the colour of it. The sage green. It's just beautiful. I absolutely love it. Like, I want my living room to be this colour. I just can't get over it. So this has been one of my favourites for the past few weeks. I absolutely love it. And just even to hold it, it's just really great. So yeah, that has been another one of my faves. Next up, we have a teeny tiny chunky Point. I absolutely love this. This is my clear quartz point. I only got this recently, a few weeks ago, and I have been really, really drawn to it. Firstly, I love the fact that it's short and stumpy, because that's how I feel, like short and large. But I absolutely love this. It's so, so cute. I love the fact it's a point, so you can really kind of push the energy out sort of wherever you want it to go, and I just absolutely love the look of it. I love the way that clear quartz has got kind of that almost like sort of smoky inner to it. I just really, really like it, and this one is really good for enhancing mental clarity, so it's really, really great. I love to have it by my bedside table at night time, and I just think it's absolutely stunning, and I just saw it in the shop and I just had to pick it up. I have got another piece of clear quartz, but I don't really vibe with that one as much, so this is my absolute favourite. I think this was £19, quite expensive, but absolutely obsessed. Definitely a favourite of mine for sure, and she's just pretty, so I love that. And my last crystal favourite that I have been kind of reaching for over the past few weeks has been my Labradorite palm stone. I just dropped it, I'm really sorry. Labradorite palm stone. I am absolutely obsessed with Labradorite. I have a Labradorite pendant, which is absolutely stunning, but for some reason this palm stone just really like draws me in. I don't know whether you guys can see the flashes of that very well on camera, but I absolutely love it, and I did just pull up all the meanings on my phone because there are quite a lot which it helps towards, and I find it really hard to remember them all. So I'm just going to read you what it says. So Labradorite treats disorders of the eyes and brain. It stimulates mental acuity, is that a word? I'm not too sure. And relieves anxiety and stress. It regulates metabolism, balances hormones, and relieves menstrual tension. Also treats colds, gout, and rheumatism, and lowers your blood pressure and aids digestion. It does basically everything. If you want a crystal that's going to help with your mental health, your physical health, and your inner health, this is what you need. I love Labradorite. It's absolutely beautiful, and just the colours of it, I just love. Like, look at that. Stunning. Can't get over it. So yeah, Labradorite is probably one of my all-time faves, like forever. I absolutely love it. So yeah, beautiful. Amazing. So those are all of my current crystal favourites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not going to be doing one of these kind of every month because I will be including crystal favourites in my monthly favourites, but I just thought I would sit down today, have a chat, and just kind of go through all the ones that I've been really reaching towards recently, what ones I've been using a lot recently, and I would love to know down below your favourites. Let me know which they are, what they do, why you love them, and if you have seen my crystals video, please let me know any that I need, because I'm always wanting to buy more. So yeah, let me know down below your thoughts, opinions, and anything else that I need, because I would really appreciate it. So that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.